Hello guys, today I'll show you how to fix a leaking gun on the Karcher high pressure power washer HD 5/15C. What we are going to need is a silicone grease, for example liquid moly, thin flat screwdriver or something very thin and flat, set of 2 O-rings, product number 4363691.0. It's one O-ring from the harder rubber. Size is roughly 7.6 inside diameter by 1.8 thickness, and it looks like this. One O-ring and one plastic support, kind of a washer, which is kind of a cut, so you can put it in. Mine I have already checked is alright, so I won't replace the plastic one. I'll just replace the O-ring for the new one because the gun is leaking, and I'll show you how to do it so you can save some money. I bought this set of 2 O-rings for roughly 8 euro. All what you have to do is first you have to pull out this high pressure hose, so it means you have to take out this plastic and metal U-pin like this. I'll put it aside, and now you should be able to pull out the hose from inside like this. As you can see, over here you've got this O-ring 7.6 by 1.8 from harder rubber. I guess it's polyurethane PU90SH, I'm not sure. And then you've got support plastic washer, and then you've got 3 washers here. This metal U-pin, whenever you are putting in, has to go here. So all what you have to do is take out this old O-ring like this, and put some silicone grease over here. As I said, I'm not replacing the plastic washer because the mine is alright, but if yours is damaged you have to replace it. It's in the set as I mentioned, and I'll put some grease on the O-ring as well. And now it's easy to place it where it should be, like this, and you have high pressure end of the high pressure hose ready to be mounted back to high pressure gun. Over here you can see kind of a brass fitting, and you have to get this inside like this, so you can put in the mentioned U-pin like this, and that's it. Just fit this here and you have it. That's everything. Now you've got O-ring replaced, and the gun is not going to leak anymore from here. That's everything. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and good luck.